Hello friends and welcome to your YouTube channel iTech World. In today's video we are going to create another account on a legit and well recognized essay writing website ProWritersTime. In the same video we shall pass English language test in this live session to get our account approved on this website of international standard. So let's get started. I have already submit the button and now we are on test section. Okay, our timer has started. We have just 15 minutes time to attempt this simple MCQs based English language test. Okay, let's get started. The very first question is there. Throughout life, he constantly used watercolors for immediate studies. Option A is the most suitable choice here. Let's move to the next question. Don't be hard on him. He is teenager. Being rebellious is one of the problems of this age. Option D would be the most suitable choice. Okay, actually none of the option is accurate here, but option B is somewhat better. Okay, uh, it does contain it still has grammatical mistake right here, but it is somewhat better. Okay, so option D would be the better choice. Okay, let's move to the next question. Her father speaks English very fluently. Option B is the correct choice. Her father speaks English very fluently. Okay, this is the best choice. Let's move to question number 4. Reynolds usually painted with brushes 18 inches in length. He worked always standing and he placed his canvas on his easel close by his sitter, almost side by side. Option A is the suitable choice. Okay, just have a look. First option is the best choice here. Let's move to question number 5. The walk was exhausting. I need a good rest now. The walk was exhausting. Exhausting would be the best choice here for this blank option. Okay. Option A is the correct option. Let's move to question number 6. You've been tidying up, haven't you? This is simple question tag. So option A would be the best option here. Okay. Let's move to the next question. When we got to Terminal 2, the flight from London had already landed. Option A would be the most suitable choice here. Okay, this one is the best choice. Let me check the rest of three options as well for more clarity. Okay, option A is the most appropriate and suitable option. Let's move to the next question. Read the paragraph and choose a sentence that describes it best. Let's start reading this paragraph. I'm particularly excited to share some of the very early notions and sketches from when we were exploring what a new Star Wars destination should feel like at Trowbridge, creating a never before seen place that simultaneously felt like the perfect stepping off point for adventure, that felt authentically Star Wars, and that we could actually build in this galaxy was a challenging exploration with a huge obligation to get it right. Okay, let's try to find out the best choice from the options given underneath. Okay, option A, creating a new image for Star Wars series was the most important part of the whole process. It was important to create new things that felt authentic to franchise. Okay, option C, the sketches and notions are an essential part of creating a new image for the franchise. This would be the most appropriate option. Okay, option C is the best choice. Let's try to attempt the next question. Bruce and Sarah's union has proven itself useless. Okay, itself would be the most appropriate option for this blank. Okay, option C is the right choice. Okay, let's move to the next question. It was a very thrilling match. England won with 3-2 with a goal in the last minute. Option A is the most appropriate option. Okay, Let's move to the next question. If I hadn't really liked the jacket, I wouldn't have bought it. I pronoun I is missing here. That might be a typo mistake. Anyhow, option A will be the most appropriate option here for this blank option. Okay, wouldn't have bought it. This is the most appropriate option. Okay, let me check the rest of options as well. Okay, option A is the best choice here. Let's move to the next question. I hate being here. All the money in the world won't make me stay in this city. Option A is the most appropriate option. This one is the correct option. Okay. Okay, let's move to question number 13. Choose a correct sentence. I remember here this song the first time we met. Please remember to buy me those concert tickets. Try plug the headphone in. I tried to hearing all the words in the song. Second option, option B, is the most suitable option. Okay, please remember to buy me those concert tickets. Okay, let's move to question number 14. Motorbikes are much cheaper than cars. However, they are less dangerous. However, would be the most appropriate option. Okay, let's move to the last question. Due to storm, a lot of planes are late now. Okay, we have attempted all the questions. Let me check once again. Okay, we still have 8 minutes to submit this test. Okay, we will definitely pass this test. Okay, this is quite easy. Okay, always try to pass English language test cool mindedly. Okay, don't be panic while attempting this simple test. Okay, this is quite easy. You can get through this test quite comfortably, but if you try to attempt this test using ChatGPT, you might fail this test because ChatGPT commits some mistakes in grammar, especially. Okay, for rest of tests, you can use ChatGPT, no doubt. But while passing this test, you must not use ChatGPT. You can pass this test quite easily all by yourself. Okay, so let's check the result. Let's submit the button and we shall definitely pass our test. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully passed the English language test. The next step includes a short essay writing. You will have only 10 minutes to write a short essay of 80 to 100 words on a general topic. Please make sure that nothing will disturb you during this time. Okay, I will write it later on. Okay, just have a look here. A mark has been done here. Okay, we have attempted this test and we are successful quite easily. So the next step would be short essay writing comprising 80 to 120 words. That's quite easy. Okay, you can write it quite comfortably. You can take help of ChatGPT here, but you have to paraphrase those passages and sentences. Okay, the next test would be citation style test comprising 18 questions, and you will have to attempt this test in 7 days. This is quite easy. Okay, I have uploaded a video comprising answer keys of citation style test. You can watch that video before attempting this test. Okay, the last test would be professional essay writing test. You will have to write 500 words essay in 7 days. This is also quite easy. Okay, so wish you all the best. Let's uh, wind up this video. We shall see you once again in the next video. Okay.